QuickTeller Business helps you to create seamless payment for your business via as many channels as you want. Here are 5 amazing features to get you started immediately. Getting started with QuickTeller Business is very simple. Go to www.business.quickteller.com. Click on Get Started to create your free business account. Fill in the required details and click on Create My Account to continue. In the next step, you would be required to provide information about your business. Complete the form with the required information and click on Proceed to My Dashboard. Your QuickTeller Business Dashboard is ready. Before you start any transaction on your account, you will have to activate it to go live. Please note that the requirement for your account activation may vary depending on whether you selected individual or registered business type when setting up your account. If you indicated that you are a registered business, follow these steps to activate your account. Click on the verification link sent to the email address you provided when creating your account. Click on Contact Information and fill in the name and telephone number of a contact person that can be reached if you are unavailable. Click on Business Registration, select your business class and input your tax identification number. Depending on the business class option you select, you may be required to provide your business registration documents including Certificate of Incorporation, Memorandum and Articles of Association, Form CAC 7, Form CAC 2, Proof of Address, Primary Identification Document of all shareholders, Operating License and any other relevant document. Click on the Select File button of each of the categories to upload the required document. As soon as the uploads are done, click on Save to continue. Click on Business Information and fill in a short description of what your business is about, your business email and business address. You also have an option of uploading your business logo and other details such as website and social media links. Click Save to continue. Click on Bank Details and select your account type, bank name and fill in your account number. Click on Save to continue. To complete your account activation process, click on the Request to Go Live button. You would get a notification that your request is being processed. Payment Link allows you to create a unique link that can be shared with your customers to request payment for goods or services. To create a payment link, click on Payment Link on the menu list. Then click on the Create New Link button. You would get an option to select Single Payment Link, which is a one-time payment request, or Recurring Payment Link, which is a continuous payment request. To set up a single payment link, click on the Single Payment Link option. Fill in the link name. Click on the Pick an Image button to upload an image that shows your product or represent your brand. Fill in a description of the product. On amount type, click on the drop-down menu to define how the amount will be set. There are 2 options to pick from. Set by Customer allows the person making the payment to set the amount they wish to pay. This option is useful for donation and other voluntary payments. Fixed Amount allows you to set a fixed amount for the product. If you select Fixed Amount as the amount type, you will be required to fill in the amount of the product. If you would like to add additional options to the payment link, click on the Enable Advanced Options button. Under the Advanced Options, you can customize the link by filling in a preferred extension. If you would like to redirect your customers to another website or landing page after making payment, fill in the redirect link. Fill in a short message in the Success message box to let your customers know that their payment is successful. Click on Create to complete the process. You will get a notification that your link has been created successfully. You can copy the link to share with your customer or click on the Visit Link button to see the payment page as the customers will view it. All that the customer has to do is fill in their details and click on Pay, and they will be redirected to the payment gateway where they can input their card details and complete the payment. To set up a recurring payment link, you will be required to set up a subscription plan first. To do this, click on Subscription Plan on the menu list, then click on New Plan button. Fill in the name of the plan. Fill in a description. To set up the frequency of the payment, click on the drop-down menu of Charge Customer and select your preferred option. To set up a duration limit for the payment, click on the drop-down menu of Limit and select your preferred option. You could choose to request the payment indefinitely by selecting the Charge Indefinitely option, or you can choose to define the number of times by selecting the Custom option. If you select the Custom option, you will be required to fill in the number of times that you plan to charge the customer for. Click on Create to complete the process. After you have successfully set up a subscription plan, you can proceed to create a recurring payment link. Click on Payment Link on the menu list, then click on Create New Link button and select Recurring Payment Link in the option. Click on the drop-down menu of Plan and select the subscription plan you created. Fill in the link name. Click on the Pick an Image button to upload an image that shows your product or represents your brand. Fill in a description of the product. On Amount Type, click on the drop-down menu to define how the amount will be set. Select Set by Customer to allow the person making the payment to set the amount they wish to pay. If you would like to add additional options to the payment link, click on the Enable Advanced Options button and complete the required details. Click on Create to complete the process. You would get a notification that your link has been created successfully. You can copy the link to share with your customer or click on the Visit Link button to see the payment page as the customers would view it. To make a payment, the customer has to fill in their details and include the amount they wish to pay or donate. The customer is required to accept the recurring payment request and click on the Proceed to Payment button to be redirected to the payment gateway where they can input their card. QuickTeller Payment Gateway can be integrated into your business website or e-commerce site to allow your customers complete payment transactions without having to be redirected. To integrate QuickTeller Business into your website, click on the Documentation button to open the documentation page. Click on Web Integrations to see the different options for integration. The first option is the inline method. Copy the codes provided to be used on your website. The second option is the Pay Button method. Copy this code into your website to enable the Pay Now button and allow payment transaction within your website. The third option is the Redirect method. Copy this code into your website and customers would be redirected to a separate page to complete payment transactions. QuickTeller Business allows you to create, manage and send invoices to process payment. To issue an invoice to a customer, click on Invoices on the menu list, then click on New Invoice button. Fill in the required details. Once you're done, click on Create to complete the process. You would get a summary of the invoice detail. The invoice will be sent to the customer as an email, and the customer can make payment by clicking on the payment link contained in the email. QuickTeller Business has a multi-channel report system that allows you to see details of all your transactions. To view reports of your transactions, click on Transactions on the menu list. A list of all transactions comes up with details including status, amount, payment reference, customer ID, channel, and date. You can click on an item on the list to see more details about the transactions, including transaction timeline, payment detail, and payment method. QuickTeller Business gives you access to everything you need to process and manage payments. Get started now.